So in just 1 minute, we have the first Q&A for Expert Creator Blueprint. The agency MRR went down a lot and we had clients that churned, but we need people जो multiple लोगों का काम कर सकते हैं एक साथ अकेले में. It's about that we are not a family, we are a high performing sports team. कल अक्षत से मैं बात कर रहा था, उसने एक पॉइंट रखा था कि ब्रो बिल्डिंग अ प्रोडक्ट और अ सर्विस इज द इजी पार्ट, बिल्डिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉर इट दैट्स द हार्ड पार्ट राइट नाउ. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, simplest solution. Alright, I don't know how long this fucking vlog will be, but it's the first one. I mean, I have grown to be very patient in the last few weeks because, of course, things take time, right? But I'm putting in the work. The biggest kind of achievement from this week was I probably put the most amount of work every single day, and I don't remember the last time I've done it. Like if you guys have seen my tweets or me talking inside my newsletter that the aim every day is to empty the gas tank. I actually emptied the gas tank every single day this week, and there wasn't a single day when I felt like I was not locked in. There were some phases where I was just mindlessly scrolling on social media, but that actually happened outside of getting the work done. So I don't actually regret it. So this is more of an update around what's going on right now. In the last about a month, I stopped working much on the agency, and of course uske results dikhe. The agency MRR went down a lot and we had clients that churned, but for some reason I was not worried about it. Last month most of the breakthroughs that I've kind of made in my personal life have been more about the life that I'm living, right? I always wanted to have a good product going on, so I shifted my focus from working on the agency to having the client work still go on. I still had my team function fully, to now working on the part where I am working on branching out the brand overall more and more, because सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे ब्रांड बना के आई कुड not get the amount of volume out that I ideally want to. And YouTube pe I have to be consistent now. So this is more of an angle that I will take weekly. So you guys will see more vlogs and more behind the scenes like this every week now. And I'll be updating कि overall business में और काम में क्या चल रहा है. Because see, the way that this brand initially started, it was me building my brand. Then it transitioned into kind of me as the agency owner, and now it has further moved ahead in terms of living an athlete's life and building my business. So the athlete entrepreneur side of life is what I'll be focusing more on, because that has given me more energy. Like जब मैं मेरे फिटनेस पे अच्छे से ध्यान दे रहा होता हूँ, I just work better for some reason. And ऐसा नहीं है कि my fitness the fitness that I do is simple. I am on a constant pursuit there as well. So अब ऐसा हो गया है कि I have 2 infinite pursuits now, which is working on the business, building more cash flow, and उसके साथ में working on getting better at this martial art called Jiu-Jitsu, which has taken over my life completely. So overall, Jiu-Jitsu, I mean, I'm happy. I am a blue belt now, and yeah, I'm working towards becoming a good blue belt, and I'm looking forward to competing more this year. Let's say hopefully a couple more times. So yeah, this is Wednesday, 14th August, and I'll give an update on 15th. Yep, 11:30 Wednesday, 4th September. I mean, I always wanted to do these weekly vlogs, but I found out that these are very difficult to plan upfront. So मैंने थोड़ा सा इस पे impromptu approach लिया है, and I'll do these vlogs when I'm actually doing something जो मेरे regular schedule वाली चीज़ें हैं. So right now it's again like I said 11:30. So this is usually me after I do some sort of deep work day की starting में. Once I complete that, then it essentially how my day starts is I plan what I have to do. Even if I write down मेरी to do list में जो भी मैं करना होता है in the present day, I write it down the day before. I still wake up and see that okay, according to this present moment आज क्या क्या होने वाला है, and then I plan out all of my day like that, I just remembered कि मेरे पास में milk नहीं है, so I'll order some milk and let's see और क्या क्या नहीं है यहाँ पे that I need for my coffee. Yeah, I need some juice and fruits. Okay. So right now I am on like a bulk, and it's a very planned bulk, right? I am having about 60%, 60-65% carbs, and उसके अलावा majority protein and then there's fats. So that's like my diet for now, and for all of that I have to eat a lot. I'm eating 3 very heavy meals every day, and then उसके बीच में protein shakes और फिर से fruits होते हैं. So for that most of the days I'm not consistent with the timing, although I manage to squeeze in the food that I need to have, but still मैं continue नहीं मतलब मैं जो plan है diet का that's 5 times a day, but I squeeze it in 4, and that's how I'm able to do it. So let's make some coffee first. तुम लोगों ने पहले भी देखा होगा कि मैं कॉफ़ी प्रॉपर वे में बनाता हूँ. So I make a mocha pot triple espresso, and it's more of a cappuccino or a latte you can say. So I've gotten deep into the caffeine world right now. After I've planned the day, I find this to be some like sort of a therapy or like more of a laid back time when I'm just reading. And these 30 minutes while having coffee is the best time that I have throughout the day. And right now I'm gonna go have my coffee and I'll have my breakfast. उसके बाद we'll get to work. मैंने अंबर को बतानी है, तो अंबर एक बुक है, it's called No Rules Rules, है ना, अभी खरीद ले और मैं तेरी नेक्स्ट सैलरी में कॉम्पनसेट कर दूंगा उसको. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज अभी हम मूव कर रहे हैं टूवर्ड्स टैलेंट डेंसिटी हमारी टीम में. ओके, एंड इट मीन्स कि वी नीड पीपल जो मल्टीपल लोगों का काम कर सकते हैं एक साथ अकेले में. एंड सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़, लाइक अ सरप्राइज एजेंडा ऑन दिस टीम, ऑन दिस मीटिंग राइट नाउ, एट द एंड ऑफ इट विल बी ओपन फीडबैक लोगों के सामने. सो वॉट एवर फीडबैक वी हैव फॉर ईच अदर, हम बहुत ओपन होके कॉल के एंड में वील गिव दैट फीडबैक, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट विल बी आवर जॉब टू मेक श्योर कि हम कैसे उस फीडबैक को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं. अब ये नो रूल्स रूल्स जो है, दिस इज़ द मेन बुक जो मैं खुद भी पढ़ रहा हूँ किताब ये, ठीक है. एंड द मेन रीज़न इज़ हम एक चीज़ को इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं हमारी टीम में अब से, एंड दैट्स अ बिग थिंग नेटफ्लिक्स के कंपनी कल्चर में. दैट्स द होल बुक, नेटफ्लिक्स का कंपनी कल्चर. इट्स अबाउट दैट वी आर नॉट अ फैमिली, वी आर अ हाई परफॉर्मिंग स्पोर्ट्स टीम. मैंने इन दिनों एक चीज़ और स्टार्ट करी, मैं कभी भी प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स को सेल्स कॉल पे बोल देता हूँ कि I mean, you know that I'm a creator, right? So I just need a quick B-roll. So if you don't mind, I'm just gonna take 15 seconds.
अब उसके cohorts में अब वापस नौशद आ गए तो
Simplest solution: make Metro Media House as a founder-led agency and not an agency owner or an agency. It has to be a founder-led agency. तो मैं कल प्लान करा था कि okay, if you see right now, we have all of the ingredients for content. Like हमारे पास में सारे pieces हैं. वाई सक्षम का भी have a clear direction. Metro Media उसका until some degree. But now, because the next kind of arc about content will be around positioning, around entrepreneurship more. क्योंकि what's the entire idea? We attract more ideal buyers for ECB, build authority उनके perspective में, and इसमें थोड़े बहुत वो लोग भी आ जाएं जो मे बी एजेंसी क्लाइंट्स बन सकते हैं. एंड हाउ विल दैट हैपन? वी टॉक, वी लेट पीपल नो. ठीक है, कल अक्षत से मैं बात कर रहा था, दैट्स वेयर उसने एक पॉइंट रखा था कि ब्रो, बिल्डिंग अ प्रोडक्ट और अ सर्विस इज द ईजी पार्ट, बिल्डिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉर इट दैट्स द हार्ड पार्ट राइट नाउ. जैसे ECB बनाने में मेरे को कितना टाइम लगा? 2-2.5 हफ्ता लगा मेरे को. Probably by the time I'm completed with the sales वाला modules, it will probably take me 3.5 weeks. उसके बाद में it will be maintenance, see what works and then redo it. बट आई हैव फिगर्ड आउट, लाइक मैंने मेजॉरिटी फिगरिंग आउट वाला पार्ट कर लिया है. कंपेयर दैट विद द अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम जिसमें एजेंसी में एजेंसी को बनाने में जा रहा है, एजेंसी में सेल्स लेके आने में जा रहा है, एस्क और वाई सक्षम पे रिजल्ट्स लेके आना है. 120K पे अटके हुए थे बहुत टाइम तक. लाइक आई रिमेंबर फेजेस. 86K तक वाई सक्षम ग्रू विदाउट एनी पॉजेस. 86K पे आई वॉज स्टक फॉर अबाउट 2 months, लाइक 1 or 2 months. फिर 90 समथिंग K पे फिर से अटक गया. देन 100K हिट हुआ था लास्ट ईयर मेरे बर्थडे के अराउंड. देन हम 100K से एक्चुअली में 99K पे गए थे वापस. दैट वॉज द ओनली टाइम व्हेन आई हैड नेगेटिव ग्रोथ वाई सक्षम पे. उसके बाद में वी ग्रू टू लाइक 104K एंड देन वी वर स्टक अगेन. ठीक है, एंड दैट वॉज अर्ली दिस ईयर. फिर वहाँ से कंटेंट फिगर आउट हुआ. आई देन ग्रू टू 108 109K, वी वर स्टक अगेन. फिर वहाँ से चीज़ें फिगर आउट हुई. वी ग्रू टू लाइक 115K और समथिंग, स्टक अगेन. वहाँ से हम 120K तक आए, स्टक अगेन. बट आफ्टर 120K वी ग्रू 12,000 फॉलोअर्स इन अ स्पैन ऑफ 2 weeks. दैट वॉज द मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ ग्रोथ जो हुई है वाई सक्षम की सिंस द अर्ली लास्ट ईयर. अर्ली लास्ट ईयर वॉज द मोस्ट एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ वाला साइड इस चीज़ का. सो नाउ वी हैव फिगर्ड आउट अ डायरेक्शन. इट्स बिकॉज मेरे को चीज़ें यहाँ पे मालूम पड़ गई हैं. दिस इज हाउ मच टाइम इट टुक टू अंडरस्टैंड कि किस टाइप की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करनी है यहाँ पे. समझ रहे हो? द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज द मेन पार्ट.
The plan was to record like a end of the week reflection, but I couldn't do it. I didn't sleep enough on Friday. I only had about 4 hours of sleep.
Right. For some reason, the way that I have built my teams, जैसे we work with this real estate production company जिसके साथ में मैं कल ही बंद किया हूँ काम आगे से. ठीक है? Because there were 2-3 times when they tried to poach the editors that I gave them. बट वो एडिटर मेरे को बाद में आके बोलते हैं कि ब्रो ये मेरे को अप्रोच करते हैं. दे आर एक्सक्लूसिवली सेइंग, मेरे को स्क्रीनशॉट के साथ में भेजते हैं. दैट दे आर सेइंग कि वुड यू बी विलिंग टू वर्क आउटसाइड ऑफ सक्षम्स टीम, वी विल पे यू मोर. एंड मैं जाके फिर वाट लगाता हूँ उन लोगों की. आई मीन लोग 2 घंटे से Q&A कॉल पे है. हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस सो फार? मजा आया Q&A पे?
So good, so good. Excellent. All time you're back. Crazy, bro. एकदम.
आई मीन पोकेमॉन हो गया भाई, क्रेजी क्रेजी कर रहे हो. कुछ सही चीज़ बताओ ना.
It can't hurt.
ये बात लेजेंड.
And then in the morning in the Saturday morning, I had the jiu-jitsu session. I came back and without having any food, I did some calls. And then once I had some food, I just didn't have energy left and I crashed out. Watched Kill. That was a brilliant movie. I loved watching Kill. I did that and then I just went to bed after ideating some content.
वाई सक्षम के लिए अभी के लिए नहीं. लाइक वाई सक्षम आई लाइक इट व्हेन इट्स लाइक कैंडिड.
So this is a team call that I am doing right now with the operations manager. And right now, like I said, हमारा एक project है around making Metro Media House का Instagram as a very primary source of lead gen for the agency. So we are now going to treat Metro Media House Instagram as an agency client and we will do everything that's needed. तो मेरा जो brand का team है that will be now deployed on this project. So let's see क्या होता है. I have the closing call next. So I'm going to keep the camera like that. Phone में record हो रहा है. My webcam actually is my ZV-E10. So yeah, let's begin. I mean, first of all, I love hearing the amount of clarity that you have, and like you probably have seen, right? I was smiling the whole way through when you were explaining all of it. It's because you actually got a lot of things right.
Good.
The pinned post thing that you said, right? Bang on. About what has to be done, right? It's all about. Usually, it's 3 different posts where it's your offer, your story, and then maybe a client testimonial. All right, first call done. I had an offer for him, but I saw that he would not be that good of a fit instantly. So instead of that, what I preferred was to tell him to run his current experiment, and then at the end of the month, that's when we can actually close the deal and see how things go from there. Because usually what happens is when you are working with these people and they do not they have something in progress and you still close them, them breaking that entire process and then starting something new with you, they will always have remorse, because let's say if things don't work out in the first few weeks, they'll think that if I just kept on doing what I was already doing, that thing would have worked, and I essentially wasted money with them. So it's always better to, like, offer for a later time that nurtures them as well. And then this is something that I do really well. I I talk to these people in the DMs frequently, and then that ends up nurturing a lot. Like, I get people reaching out to me saying that don't forget that I don't want to work with you still. I'm just, like, sorting things out. That's how these people follow up with me. We have the discovery call next up. Let's go. I mean, like I said, I did not have anything to sell on this account. Of course, I have to see as well what's being done currently and to see if it's a fit or not. But there's immense potential because you have several businesses, and that's who we work for. We work with only business owners creating founder personal brands. That's it. All right. So that's how I do these discovery calls. Usually I do not get this pumped up, but because this guy has several businesses, of course, I'm not going to show you the entire call. But because this guy has several businesses, I took some really good notes. This was actually a positive end to the day because I have 2 closing calls now. The follow-up meeting from the last meeting, and then this one being set up for next week again. So I'm really looking forward to seeing if I can, actually close these 2 people, because that would help the agency overall a lot. So yeah, I'll get my editor to put some parts of it, but I'm not gonna have all the parts from these discovery calls. But yeah, and then right now it's Sunday, the 8th of September. I had a quick Why Saksham voiceover recording session, and now I'm doing this. So I'm gonna send all of the footage to the editor to get edited, and then right after this I'm gonna freshen up, record a few more content pieces for Why Saksham, because at the end of next week I'll be traveling for another week. I will not have enough time to put into work, especially because I'll be with my family. So the aim is to put a big sprint of work in the next 4-5 days and launch more modules inside ECB. Book 6 to 8 discovery calls. That's like a non-negotiable. Book those discovery calls for the agency. Sort out some client stuff. The brand team is underway. We are doing good work and I have to train them more. So it's 2:23 right now. I'll record some content, do the calls to the team, client check-ins after that, and then I'll see if there's anything left. Nothing major as of now, and I'm very happy with this week. So yeah, I'm gonna go out at 6 p.m. and then that's the week done. I'll see you guys in week 37. Bye.